Okay, I wanted to do a quick video on how to reset the climate control, the AuCar LCD climate control, once you've shut the lost power or disconnected the battery or replaced the battery. So a lot of people don't realize this, but there's actually a module located underneath the passenger side here that controls the AC unit. So the module doesn't know where the off position is. So what you have to do is you actually have to just connect your OEM one back up and then run it through some cycles, kind of calibrate it a little bit, and then shut it completely off, and then plug the LCD one, and it's ready to go. So I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so what I did is I ran the wiring for the LCD into the side panel here. So all you have to do is pop this out. Very simple, just pop that out. And here you can see this is my connection here. So what you want to do is just unplug it like that. Take your factory one and plug it back in like that. Okay, so it is now plugged in. So now we're going to start the car. So you'll see that it's off right now. So we'll go ahead and turn it on. Let's see, we'll get it blown out the side front here. Turn let's do mono. So it's blowing cold air now. Go all the way down to max low. Okay, everything seems to be working. It's nice and cold. So now we're gonna go ahead and we shut it completely off. So the LCD unit, or excuse me, the OEM unit is 100% off. Go ahead and shut the car off. Unplug the factory one. Plug in the LCD. Tuck it back in there. We'll go ahead and put these little clips back in here. So like this. Snap everything back in. Everything's snapped in. We'll go ahead and start the car again. And we'll take make sure we'll put it at 61 degrees. Turn up the deal. So we have it on now. And and it's at 61 degrees and it's blowing ice cold air. So we got calibrated and it's all ready to go. Thanks so much. Also, one other thing, quick side note here, to change this to Celsius and to Fahrenheit, you just press and hold that for 5 seconds and that'll switch it over to Celsius, or if you get it in Celsius, it'll switch it over to Fahrenheit. Just kind of a quick side note. Thanks so much. Bye.